Prime Air is the air cargo network run by Amazon that moves packages by plane between major distribution hubs to speed up deliveries. This aircraft is N241AZ, a Boeing 767 cargo jet used in that system. It carries large loads of Amazon packages across long distances as part of the company's shipping network. Before flying for Amazon, this aircraft was originally built as a passenger Boeing 767-3000 for Delta Airlines, and later it was converted into a freighter with its passenger cabin removed and a cargo door installed so it could carry freight instead.